Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is harvest day. I have 3 buckets of potatoes, 2 Irish potato buckets, 1 red and 1 white, and the other one is a sweet potato. Actually, I have 6 buckets of sweet potato, but they're not ready yet to harvest. I guess they're going to be ready in my next video. Okay, so in my next video, we'll harvest sweet potato. Plant in the garden in August. I have no time to put the seed down, so I'm here just to see what I can find. Okay, so easy to find, everything. You have to search. It's like a diamond in the rough.
Take it. Yeah, that's good. It looks good too. Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, this is it, guys. I got my pepper, jalapeno pepper, my broccoli, more pepper. What else? My Swiss chard and more jalapeno pepper. I can never have enough of jalapeno pepper.
Back in April, several recruiters were stabbed. The National Police Service has recorded more than 600 assaults so far. It's not something Ukraine is used to discuss it.
I dropped my phone.
Admitting any weaknesses.
It's not so. Just be sold at a discount or donated. It's all in an attempt to reduce waste and cut the impact of incinerating tons of unsold clothing every year. And I've been speaking to Marianne Brown, who's sustainability reporter for Politico in Brussels. She told me more about it.
The ban on disrupting unsold goods is part of the EU's new eco-design law, which is coming into force incrementally and requires...
Let me show you guys. So I went, I saw these, my eyes caught these peppers, and I love my habanero peppers. So this is what I have to plant. This is another one that I bought there. I couldn't help myself. What I actually went to Home Depot for. Okay guys, now we're going to take a look at the potatoes that I'm going to harvest today. 3 buckets. 2 buckets of Irish potato, 1 is white, 1 is red, and 1 bucket of sweet potato. So let's see what we have here. The bucket is so heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 Okay, so this feel light. Oh, I hope something is in here good. Okay, now it will be easier for me to get them out the bucket. Here we go. This is my first bucket. Let's see what we have here. Oh. So far guys, look what I have here.
That's not
Well,
so bad.
That's not so bad. They're small, but this is my first time. So,
Are these supposed to be big sweet potatoes? or-
yeah. They get big.
That look like no. Those is red potatoes. That's not
These
sweet.
are red.
Those are red. Cause those look like the ones you put with a steak.
Oh yeah, these are red potatoes. Well, I thought it was. We have some more here. Oh, they're small.
I don't think this. Oh, this is the sweet potato one, Nana.
That's one.
That's
Yeah.
the sweet potato.
You feeling me?
That's good. Yeah, that's good red potatoes.
Yeah. You can bake them and put them in soup. There's a lot of way you can eat them. Okay. They're small, but I'm not complaining because, like I said, guys, this is my first time.
Wow, that looks beautiful. Beautiful. This is so much.
Yeah. Like I said, they're not big, but I still thank God. Let me put this on there. This is my harvest from two containers. It's not large, but I still thank God, you know, for
That look good, Nana.
it. Yeah, it looked good, but they could have been bigger. But for next harvest, hopefully I'll get a better harvest. I'll do better. And if there's anything out, and if there's anyone out there that could put a comment to tell me what you think that I did wrong, because this is my first time. Okay, thank you guys. This container here supposed to be sweet potato, but I don't know where the tag disappeared to. It had a tag on and it just disappeared. So let's see what we have here. Let's see the surprise. Okay.
Looks like some
It's
sweet
light.
potato.
It's light, so I don't know. It's not heavy.
You might have just one.
We'll see. Let's see what we have here. So far, okay.
Okay. Oh,
Oh my goodness. I don't even know. This is not I don't know what this is.
sweet potato, the hardest
they are.
one.
They are some kind of they are sweet potato. I don't know if it's this one look. Maybe I pulled them too early. But no. They were all falling apart. See?
Yeah, this is confusing on what you did wrong here.
Yeah, but you know what? Hey, I am not going to give up. Wow, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is a beauty. Now, guys, this is my first harvest of zucchini. I didn't get a lot from the tree, but look at this one.
That is huge. It's bigger than your head.
Yeah, isn't it something? I'm so happy. Okay, guys, this is my harvest for today. I'm proud of my zucchini because I didn't know, you know, the first time I planted zucchini and potato, but I didn't know much about it. But then someone play a video just after I launched my video and tell me maybe what I was doing wrong, and he was right. I was doing wrong because I had like 3 or 4 zucchini plants together, and there was, you know, I guess maybe that's why, you know, I only get this big one. But I'm hopeful because I have about 2 or 3 more trees. Okay, so look, this is it. Sweaty. Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you about my shirt. Isn't this beautiful? I got it at Greenstock and they're on sale. The shirt is $24.99 or something like that, but they're not expensive. They're on sale, and the hat is $22 and some change. Okay, go and grab one.